Good morning. It's Katie. I have to go to Polo Ralph Lauren. And you know, I really love my job at Polo. I do. But I'm really kind of sad that I have to go to work. Because, like this week is like my week off from work with the boys and everything like that. Sorry. Like they scheduled me for like twice as many hours as I usually work. And so I'm going to work and I'm going to be like, so great. I have to be here twice as long. I have to stand here and do the registers for like ever. It's just going to be a day of Katie working hard, and then coming home being exhausted. And I hate those days. I hate working like that. It's not my favorite thing to do. I love my job. I love having income, but I wish there was a way that I could make income and be happy with work all the time and never like dread going to work. Does anyone else ever feel that way? Because I know people do, but I just don't know if they like I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'll see you guys after work and I'll probably post this video tonight. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.